How to change parental control PIN for Fortnite and Epic Games. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change parental control PIN for Fortnite and Epic Games. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To change your parental controls PIN, visit your Epic account portal firstly, that is accounts.epicgames.com. Now, log in to your Epic account and further select the account option. You will then see the option for parental controls. Tap on the parental controls option from the left-hand menu. You will first need to successfully log in with your old PIN in order to be able to change your PIN. Now, click on the Change PIN link found directly under the Parental Controls heading and further enter your new PIN. You will see a pop-up confirming your PIN has been changed successfully. So, this is how you can change parental control PIN for Fortnite and Epic Games. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.